Morning students, I Leela ma'am here. I am going to teach you chapter 3. Today topic is least common multiple means LCM. In short we call LCM. L for least, C for common, M for multiples. For finding LCM, first of all I will tell you about the common multiples. Suppose you are given two numbers 3 and 4. You will write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 27. Okay. Then write multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Then common multiples. Common multiples of 3 and 4 is 12, 24, 36 and so on. Okay. First of all, we will learn how to find the common multiples. Okay. For finding the least common multiple LCM, today I am going to tell you about the two methods. First method is by finding common multiples, lowest common multiples by listing common multiples, finding LCM by listing the multiples. And second method is prime factorization method. Let's concentrate at first method. Here finding LCM by listing the multiples. Okay, suppose you are asked to find LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, then first of all what will you do? You will write multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Then write multiples of other number 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. Then write common multiples. Common multiples here are, circle the common multiples. You have circled 12, 24, 36. Okay. Then common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. Then in these common multiples we see that 12 is the least. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन सा है? 12. So the least common multiple LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay. In this way you will find the LCM by listing the common multiples of the given numbers. For this you write the common multiples of all the number, then circle the common multiples, then find the least. सबसे छोटा जो मल्टीपल होगा कॉमन मल्टीपल वो क्या कहलाएगा? LCM of the given number. Then comes other method, prime factorization method. Okay, for prime factorization method there are steps. First step is find the prime factorization of the given numbers. Then number 2, find the common factors. Step 2 is find the common factors. Then step 3 is multiply the common factors and the other factors also, that is common and the uncommon factors are to be multiplied. Okay, first you will circle the common factors. Then third step is for finding the LCM, you will multiply the common factors and the other factors, common and uncommon factors are to be multiplied. Common को भी multiply करना है और uncommon, non-common. Then suppose first question is find LCM of 48, 72 and 120 by prime factorization method. Okay, for this you will find the prime factorization of all the three numbers. First you will write prime factorization of 48. You will select the prime numbers 2, 3, 5 for this prime factorization. 48 prime factorization, you will get prime factorization of 48 here. Here you write 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Then again this 24 can be then factorized by 2. 2 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then again by 2, 2 6 ja 12. Then again same prime number 2 2 3 ja 6. Then 3 1 ja 3. Okay, then prime factorization of 72. This is even number, so 2 we can take prime number for division. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, then 2 2 1 ja 2, and 1 and 6 16, 2 8 ja 16, then 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 2 9 ja 18, then 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. Similarly, prime factorization of 122, take 2, 2 6 ja 12, 0 as it is, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6 and 0 as it is, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15, then 5 5 1 ja 5. Then you will write the prime factorization of 48. PF, you can write here PF, prime factorization of 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, then 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, like this here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 for 48. For 48 I have written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then prime factorization of 72, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3. Then prime factorization of 120, 2 into 2 into 2, prime factorization of 120, 2 into 2 into 2, again into 3 into 5 into 3, then into 5. Okay. Similarly here, for finding the LCM, what will you do? You will write common factors here. Okay, common factors for finding LCM. First circle the common factors. Here. Now here it is 2 and 3 3 3 3. This 3 is twice, it 2 will be, this is non-common, and 3 3 is twice, will be written once. Then you will find the LCM of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. In this way the LCM of 48, 72 and 120 will be 720. Common multiples are 2 into 2 into 2, then into 3, and these are non-common, and this 5 also. 2 as it is, and 3 is twice, you can write it once. Okay, then into 5. In this way you will find the LCM by listing the prime factorization, by finding the prime factorization. Let's take one of the question here. Suppose you are given, you find the LCM by prime factorization method, 216, 108, 36. First, the prime factorization of the given numbers are 216, 2 1 ja 2 and 0, 2 0 0, 2 8 ja 16. Some student write 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 18 2 ja is not 216. When you take two number as carry, then 0 is there. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, then 0, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, then 27 occurs in table of 3, means 3 we can take prime number here. 3 9 ja 27, then 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, then take 108, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Then prime factorization of 36, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 and 6 16, then 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Then prime factorization of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 is 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 is also 3 times, into 3 into 3. Then prime factorization of 108 is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Then prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now I have circled common factors here. Okay, common factors 2 2 2 common, it can be written once. This common, common, I have circled, and 3 is also, this is non-common. 2 is non-common, will be multiplied as it is, and 3 again common into 3, 3 again common, 3 into 3, and 3 is 2 times, will be written once. Okay, this is non-common, then will be written once if 2 times is there. Then LCM of 216, 108, 36 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 24 3 ja 72, 72 3 ja, it is 216. In this way you will find the LCM by prime factorization method. For this finding LCM, you will multiply common factors and non-common factors, then find the LCM by prime factorization method. In my next video I will teach you how to find the LCM by common division method, and this is the last, yes, third method is the last for finding LCM. The next method will be common division method. Okay, common division method, let's write the steps here. Write the given numbers in row separated by commas. Step 2, divide these numbers by least prime number which divides at least one of the given numbers. Write the quotients and the numbers that are not divisible by the prime numbers in the second row. Then repeat step 2 and step 3 with the rows and continue till the numbers in a row are equal to 1. Suppose you are going to find LCM of here 32, 48 and 96. This method is common division method. This method is called common division method. Here you will write the numbers by putting commas in a row. Then you see कि 32, 48, 96 can be divisible by 2. Then 2, 2 16 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Then again 16, 24, 48 can be divisible by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24, 2 24 ja 48. Then again by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 12 ja 24. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja, sorry 2 6 ja 2 6, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 3 6 again you can take 2, 2 1 ja 2. Yes, there is no 3 in table of 2, 3 will be written as it is, and 2 3 ja 6. Then this 1 3 3 again you can take 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja, okay, 1 as it is, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Then you will find the LCM by multiplying all these numbers. LCM of 32, 48 and 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In this way you will find the LCM 96. Steps are, you will write the given numbers in a row. Row में लिख लेना है by putting commas. Divide these numbers by the least prime number. You will divide these numbers by the least prime numbers. Okay, start with the least prime number. Then write the quotients and the numbers that are not divisible by the prime number in the second row. Second row में आपने क्या लिखना है, quotients. जैसे डिवाइड किया 32 को 2 से, quotients होगा 16. When you divide it by prime number 2, this 48, your quotient is 24. You write in this way. Then repeat step 2 and step 3 with the rows and continue till the numbers in a row are equal to 1. तो लास्ट में जब 1 1 के इक्वल हो जाए तब तक you will continue the process, and then in the end you will find a multiply this, you will find LCM by multiplying all these factors here, prime numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You will multiply all the prime numbers here, these numbers, and get the LCM. Okay, then your work is you will solve 3.4. You will solve exercise 3.4. Thank you.